in the car with the kayaks on the roof, ready to do a kayak adventure in the Wisconsin Dells. This isn't about FPV, this is about kayaks in summer and lake.
Oh yeah, that's right. We have no FPV equipment with us today, right?
That's not exactly true. There's my whoop bag back there.
You brought your whoops. You are, you dingus. Oh my, you suck. That's not fair. You didn't tell me you were bringing your shit. I would have brought some of my shit, you putz.
So there's the kayaks up there. Hopefully they do their thing and stay.
Are they?
What do you guys think?
They think, what are we doing? We don't care.
Oh?
We're just happy we're with you.
Good boy. Look at him. Hi, I'm Dexter. Oh, what's going on over there?
36 miles.
Okay.
44 minutes. 10:54 ETA.
It is now 10:10. Look, Kim, it's the Wisconsin River.
Oh my God. Look, you're funny.
So that's what we're dealing with, folks.
What?
Do it.
Well, we just about damn near made it there, John. How do you feel about that?
I reckon I feel pretty good, but it's a little stressful when you got these things on here, right?
Oh, you damn near lost your accent right in the middle of that whole
Yeah, that's
sentence.
weird.
You ain't good at this, are you?
I went to a northerner.
You weren't very good at the whole acting thing, were you?
Nope.
Uh-oh, what is this? What the fuck is that about? No, really, what is this?
I think, well, there's a section of highway where they do music, but I don't think that's this. What is that? Why?
Same hell we driving on, boy.
Just random lines in the road for no fucking good reason.
Hello, Wisconsin.
We're testing our paint pattern.
And the car's, I'm surprised the car's not like doing weird shit like, oh my god, what is this oversense reload? What the flying hell?
Yeah, what? Okay, now it's over. Alright. Cool.
Hello, Wisconsin, let's waste some more money.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay.
This is hysterical. Sorry. Here we are illegally parked. Traffic's coming right at us.
Okay. Now I'm at least at remove.
Now we got the relief pumper. It's coming together.
Oh my god, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in.
Now to get your paddles and stuff. Why is 1 foot away? The dog's not helping.
Please, Jesus Christ, Carolyn, what are you doing? I can't even see. Get in there.
All right.
I thought I was going in.
I thought so too.
Yeah.
Is this all the way up? I know.
Okay, can you chill this? You're getting crazy now. He's just right there.
Uh-oh.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, I can see the bottom. Huh.
Now if the dogs want to do a high-speed bailout, it would.
All right. Yeah, there's a lot of people. Wow.
What is that?
360 camera.
Oh, that's cool. Honestly, it was hard in the beginning, but it was easy after 5 minutes, you know? It's either that or they stay home more.
He's shriveling a little bit, but shivering a little bit.
Say, you're shriveling? Nobody? I think they are.
Oh my God, these two. It's a sea of just noise and pollution. Ugh.
Do you mind taking that hand?
should know by the way you parked your car sideways that it wouldn't last. See, you're the kind of person that believes in making out once, love them and leave them fast. Guess I must be dumb. She had a pocket full of horses, Trojan and some of them used. But it was Saturday night, I guess that makes it alright. You see, what have I got to lose? And honey, I say, little red Corvette, baby, you're much too fast. Little red Corvette, you need a love that's gonna last. Guess I should've closed my eyes when you drove me to the place where your horses run free. 'Cause I felt a little ill when I saw all the pictures of the jockeys that were there before me. Believe it or not, I started to worry. I wondered if I had enough class. But it was Saturday night, I guess that makes it alright. And you say, baby, have you got enough gas? Oh yeah, little red Corvette, baby, you're much too fast. Yes, you are. Little red Corvette, you need to find a love that's gonna last. Oh,
This is our, we're on our way home now after all the things. You saw probably some clips here and there. We had the drone footage, that'll be back before this. Kim flew, I flew.
The kayaks are still up there.
Yeah, the kayaks are still up there, which is good.
We made it up there. We took the kayaks off. We went kayaking. We did it. We did all the things.
Oh yeah, it was a day.
It was a
Got
day.
some sun. Check out the leg there.
Oh, mama's sun.
Ton. Okay.
We got the hot sauce.
Yeah, we got our
Mission accomplished.
it's
Pepper
back
pills
there
for
somewhere.
the win.
Dogs are sleeping. They are just out cold. I mean, beyond out cold. Got a lot of junk back there too. And yeah, it was a day.
It was a day. It's a day that will go down in infamy. Okay, not really, but
Wait, what?
no. Sorry.
Infamy?
Yeah, like infamy. That's like the Pearl Harbor. I don't know what the hell it means.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.